All right, I'm going to give you guys a quick little review of my Greenworks Pro 80 volt lithium max battery powered mower. Here's your big battery. It comes in, it's 80. It comes with 2 of them to be able to put in here and go. They're supposed to last about 30 minutes at a time. So it comes with the bag that you can put on the back. Right now I got the little in here where it shoots it out. It also turns into a mulcher, but the grass is so high that I'm using this right now. So you come over here, you open this part up, you slide this in, it locks in. And then it clicks, you close it. So you pull this back and you push the button. There it goes. Of it cuts off, and you adjust your height all the way down to 1. You lift it up to 5 and it lifts the whole thing up. But there you go, cuts really good. That's the first run of it, and that's on the highest level too. It's pretty easy. Just hold it down,